go. Give me that grill over there. This one will make a bit. No, I need another bit at the end like that though. Now put it on. No, ain't that missing.
Oh, screw.
Like that deep. Sure. Take your other hand, take one finger, put set of fingers, put it on that, and the other one screws this. Yup.
Just tight. Okay.
Oh yeah, there you go. Some of this ain't gonna get it right. Ooh, that hurt. That's right there. You gonna say low battery in a video? Can't be low battery. Therefore, I missed some stuff. Daggone. Okay. Ta-da. Great. Just missed some stuff. Shit. All right.
guess scratching dent stuff. She said you probably can get a better deal on some stuff if you really looking. I said, what kind, girl? That's pretty good.
You did it.
Huh?
I said, you did it.
Get my kitchen in order. Give me a new stove. That gotta be paid off, cause I mean, I need to call and ask them, can I get the 6 months, cause that was less than $300. I don't know, no injury. I didn't realize the refrigerator was an LG.
Just saw that too. Cleaned that off now. I said I cleaned that off now.
Oh, you didn't need it? Had his own grills and everything. You think we can sell that?
Sell it to the Trident.
They still work, ain't it?
Ain't got a whole lot of stuff around here. Wait for people to come get shit. It's just collecting more shit. Put it on the street safe for free.
Yeah, somebody get it. Still work. All you need to do is clean it up.
Too much stuff in the damn garage now. Gotta get rid of.
I'm glad they get, so does it have a light? Cause that's the other one had a light, I just never didn't know what it was.
Brand new.
Huh?
Brand new. What you think?
What the light is?
What do you think? Get over here and look at it. Like you scared like it gonna bite you. So.
Did I money find the camera?
Look at you, red in the
Got
fountain.
a light now. Yay. That's good.
You cover here, my camera.
Yeah. Hey, y'all.
I ain't editing it.
Huh?
I ain't editing it either.
Oh, but you are.
Alright, this mess is yours to clean once I get my tools out your way.
Hey, are you serious? Can you get that sawdust and stuff up? That's more work for me.
I'm dead ass serious.
No, you better clean it up.
I did the hard work. I did the hard
You
work.
wouldn't let me. I've had this kitchen cleaned up now.
I did the hard work. This ain't up for discussion.
Yeah.
I did everything else.
Work this stove up.
You better get some help.
Jesus.
Wake up sleeping Rudy.
You know what? That don't look bad up there.
And I did my part.
I got you covered.
I got to sit down and back hurt.
What else you want from the store?
Let me
Burger's
clean
good
that
for
by
today.
myself.
Or you want the baked chicken?
Give me a little thing and put these screws in.
They over there in the closet, ain't they?
Give me a little thing and put these screws.
They're over there, in the closet.
Give me a little thing and put these screws. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Normally, do as I ask and not give me instructions. Now you starting to give me instructions. They over there.
Well, I didn't want to step in front of the camera.
I ain't care about the done. Thank you. See how easy that is. So you tell me something, you want to step in front of the camera, you stand in front of the camera, you do some shit.
You're hard on them for yeah.
Don't let all that stay on the camera. I'll be glad to get the rest of my stuff, the heavy stuff. I'm gonna sit down. Sit down.
cook, baby.
Huh?
I gotta cook.
I told you I'm gonna get all this heavy stuff out the way. And I'm gonna sit down. You got
Baby, I did. I'm vacuuming it.
Hmm.
I was gonna vacuum that up.
You complain about me leaving it a mess.
Huh?
I said you was complaining about me.
I was getting ready to get you vacuum.
Oh,
I can't wait.
okay. I come with the other stuff
You
later.
want potato salad or
Right till I get back,
Baked
ask me what I want. Put some doo-doo on there. I'm gonna eat it. Why I